Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable document auto-download on WhatsApp for PC. If you frequently receive important files and want to ensure they're automatically saved, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the app icon or accessing WhatsApp web in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats and messages just like you do on your phone. Next, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the app. This icon represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it to enter the settings area where you can customize your WhatsApp experience to suit your needs. Once you're in the settings menu, find and click on Storage. This section is where you can manage how WhatsApp handles media files, including documents. In the storage settings, you'll see various options for different types of media, such as photos, videos, and documents. To enable document auto-download, simply check the box next to Documents. By doing this, you'll ensure that any documents sent to you on WhatsApp are automatically downloaded and saved to your device, making it easy for you to access important files without having to download them manually. And that's it. You've successfully enabled document auto-download on WhatsApp. Now, you won't have to worry about missing important files, as they'll automatically be saved to your device for your convenience. To recap, here are the simple steps. Open the WhatsApp app on your PC, click on the gear icon for settings, select Storage, and then check the box next to Documents. It's a quick and easy way to manage your file preferences. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using WhatsApp and other apps effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.